Now that I can do makeup, if anyone wants to have free makeup done by me, they can call me. My wedding is coming up soon and I do want to have my makeup done that day. There's only two problems. One, I don't know how to do makeup. I can do the blush and the lipstick and that's it. And two, I want to have a Vietnamese Korean bridal makeup style. But since I live in Germany, I think it is not that easy to find a makeup artist for that. That's why when I went back to Vietnam for Lunar New Year, I went to a 5 days makeup classes to learn how to do makeup and do my bridal look by myself. It was a very interesting experience and I documented all of that for you guys. So have a look, stick around to see if I made it or not and see how I look in my bridal makeup style. Let's go! So the first thing we have to do before going to the makeup class is getting me contact lenses. Otherwise, I cannot see anything while I learn how to do it. And you cannot wear glasses while you're doing your eyes and everything. And this time I want to be very serious, so I would like to see it while I'm doing it. I wouldn't say I'm a big fan of wearing contact lens, but if it's just for some days, I can do it. So we are here at the makeup place. I am ready. I am going to learn how to put on my lens now. She says she's going to teach me. I told my makeup artist that I have nothing yesterday, like all of the makeup stuff. But today, I brought like 100 of them because my sister is like addicted to doing makeup. So we got all of her stuff here. And there's actually like all fancy stuff as well. We have to buy all of that again later, but it's gonna be fine. Now we're going to learn how to put on contact lenses.
Chiều chị thấy nó xoe ở cái mép của nó đó. Nó bị bẹp ra một xíu. Nó không phải là...
Guys, I made it. I got one in my eyes now. So here's the tip. She just told me. I learned how to use it now. Here's the thingy thing. Put the lens in. Open the eyes as big as possible. Look straight forward and plug it in. Make sure there's like the white part and the black part. Both you can see, and then you make sure your, is that called the apple of your eyes, like in the middle, and you just do it like this. She said I'm a very fast learner, okay? Normally people took forever to learn this. Weeks. Took me like 20 minutes. Next step is cleaning your face. Well, I like it. I like that now I can kind of see the world. Not super clear, but kind of clear. I'm pretty happy about it actually.
Nó chỉ để lấy khi chị dưỡng, chị thường dưỡng như thế nào? Chị xóa từ dưới lên.
Cho từ dưới lên hả?
Để luôn đập cơ mặt.
Okay, so I'm applying moisturizer now. And she said I have to do it like from here up until here to make sure to give yourself a natural facelift. Chờ cái này xong chạy hay mình phải chờ mấy phút đâu?
Nó thì nó thấm vào.
Okay, so this is the next step. It's called a face base, and she said it's super thick, so I have to use just a little bit and do this. Như này hả? Okay. Như này. Bôi như này. So this is a skin veil base from Laneige, and see, we use it. It is actually purple. I have no clue why it is purple, but we use it for making my skin a little bit brighter. Chị thì không cần trắng thôi, chị chỉ cần cho nó đều mặt thôi. Chị không có nhiều. We are learning one of the hardest skill of applying the foundation.
Cái này chưa đẹp mà chị đi lên tặng cái này. Nó đang đi ở đấy này.
First of all, I know I look a bit like a ghost, but it's because I'm using my sister foundation and she has brighter skin tone than me. But it's okay. When I guess I have to go and buy my foundation by myself soon. After today, today we have to look like a ghost then.
Chị sẽ biến đồ nhé, đừng cao quá, đừng bay quá.
Ok.
Đừng còn như thế, đừng còn như thế. Mình sẽ như thế này.
Tại vì chị thấy là em cứ miết như này, tức là em cứ làm như này, nhưng mà chị không thể nào mà vừa miết vừa làm như thế được luôn, khó dã man.
Dần dần mình sẽ có, chỉ để giống như là.
So something very important that I just learned is that once you start blending the foundation, You blend it until it's perfectly good, and then you move on to the next move. You don't just go and blend everywhere. You finish blending this, and then you go and keep blending slowly. Okay, so we just have like a very long teaching session. This side of the face, she's already taught me how to do it. I have to somehow do this side of the face now, and slowly I'm gonna teach you guys how to do it. First of all, this is cái này là che khuyết điểm đúng không?
Đúng rồi.
The thin concealer.
Không được đánh quá muối nhá.
Yeah, this is a concealer. So you use it to put it here like a triangle here on your eyes so that it's kind of brighter, I would say. Em ơi, nhìn trước khi chị chấm vớ vẩn thì vỡ mặt. Này như này đúng không? Ít quá không?
Ít.
Ít à?
Từ từ. Chị sẽ chấm như thế này.
So now I'm gonna blend it, and she said do not blend it under this line. And I have to blend it like this. Next is powder. Oh my gosh, you guys, when you put this powder in, like your whole face now it's super sticky, but you put the powder in and then it's not sticky anymore. It's crazily smooth. It's insane. It's super dry as well. Do not take too much. You drop it like this. Then you do this. Oh, that's too much. Nhiều quá. You have to use this side to dab it. Do not dab it with the same side. So we need some darker shade over here. What is it called? Highlighter, contour or something. And she said, make a line from here until here. From here to here, it has to be dark, so that you have like a kind of a smaller face, things like that. So I just learned something very cool about highlighter. You dab it once, and then you just keep doing this, and then it's gonna get brighter and brighter. This is how you hold it, you guys. And then the more you do this, the more you see the highlighter. That's insane. It's like literally science here. Now we need the blush. Gonna use two colors. We're gonna use this very beautiful lotus pink and put it closer to my eyes. So she said we do it like literally on a straight line like this. Do not go up. It's Vietnamese style, okay? So we do it in a cute way. So, không ra ngoài quá á?
Đúng rồi, nó bị to.
Mình chỉ dừng ở đâu hả?
Chị dừng đến đây cho em.
Okay. Stop here. Okay, so for the first class, it just like this, just the base of the face. I have to ask her to put a lipstick on so I can go out of the house. But overall, this is the first class already. Go. So this is what we have today. Tomorrow I will have to practice to do all of the base again, and we're going to learn how to do the eyes. I have no idea how she did the lips. She just do it today to show it to me, but I have to learn it tomorrow. And now I think we're going to sit down, and then we're going to make a list of makeup products I should buy, and then we're going to buy it. So tomorrow we have the products that I will use forever. Like for example, I do not like the tones of the foundation, it's too bright for me and some stuff like that. So we're going to buy stuff now.
Ở bên kia hay có xéo ra hay xéo.
Chị cũng thích kiểu da chị nó tự nhiên, nó giống như thế thôi, không cần phải. Good morning. So yesterday was a lot of knowledge. I think I remember roughly 10% of them. There's so much to note, but at the same time, I feel like if I just literally following those steps without being too creative, I'll be fine. So let's pack our stuff and let's go again. So here I am. For the second day, she said that it's time for me to do the base by myself. I have to remember somehow what to do. So let's see if I can remember anything from yesterday. Okay. Ô, cái chia sắc của nhà mình hôm qua đâu nhỉ? Sao hôm nay thiếu tung té gì hả? Con bia lấy ra hết rồi. Cái kia về nhà chị không em? Cái màu cái chia sắc này kìa. À thế á? Thế cho chị mượn được không em? Cảm ơn em nhé. Trên sắc mụn đỏ che màu xanh lá cây. I literally don't know what to do. I don't remember what I learned yesterday, and I think this is too early for me to do this by myself. Okay, green for red, orange for my eye bag. I am highly skeptical of the result. Okay, now we have to do foundation, but I do not remember. What is the foundation brush? Yep, that's my skin tone. Now I'm feeling more confident. Finally. What next? Trái khuyết điểm khối sáng. Trái khuyết điểm khối sáng là cái gì? Ok, đưa cho em cái này. Em sẽ dùng xịn hơn, sáng hơn. Ta-da! So this is what I have learned from yesterday so far, and this is what I did all by myself. The teacher is busy doing makeup for other people, so I was interested with playing with the cat. There's a cat here, and she's super fat. Ooh, why are you so fat? Why are you so fat? Why are you so chubby? Oh, cô giáo đến rồi. Oh, trả nhá, trả nhá. We're going to learn how to do the eyes right now. It is the most important part, in my opinion. It is super hard. So let's hope that I can learn that. Rồi.
Rồi, ok. Em làm một bên nhé. Chị sẽ làm bên còn lại.
Ok. Tôi chỉ muốn lấy đúng cái màu, đúng cái mã này thôi, xong rồi chị muốn làm đúng cái này rồi em ơi. Màu này hả? Ok. Okay, now it's my turn to take care of the other eye. I just wrote a lot down. Now I have to remember what I did. How was it? Was it good? I made it by myself. I think it looked identical. It looks pretty good. Now we're going to learn how to put on the lipstick.
Cái nào được từ sáng.
Làm từ 3 giờ sáng á? Vậy bao giờ chụp cái gì? Chụp ở studio á? Từ sáng đến giờ?
Em make up cho khách chi?
Sao ơi? Ta-da! So this is the final result. I think it looks wonderful. Anyway, since I'm looking like this and it's the new year and I'm wearing áo dài now, we're going to do a photo shoot to remember this day. So that whenever I look at it, I'll be like, I made the makeup by myself and I have more motivation to do it again. They have like a very nice studio up here and they have very cool concept. So I'm very excited to do it. Today we're just gonna do everything again and try to see if I remember all of the steps and also learn how to take care of my eyes, eyelashes, and my eyebrow. So that's a lot of things to do, but we have like 3 to 4 hours. We can do it. You know, when I first stepped my foot in this class, I was honestly highly skeptical because I don't think they can teach me how to do makeup properly in 3 days. I was like, I am hopeless. I think you can teach me how to put on lipstick and I'll already be grateful. I don't know, like now I feel like I kind of know how to do it and I feel quite confident about it. I really hope that this is going to work out. I think I'm almost done. You need to put fake lashes on. It is the hardest thing ever to put fake lashes on the eye. but I did it. You see? That's fake lashes. I put it all by myself. It took me like an hour, but it's worth it. Now I just need to apply the eyebrow, and then we are done, I think. I am finished. Today my teacher helped me to fix like a little bit of mistake, but I like checked my notes and I did everything. It was a crazy challenge. I'm glad I took it, and I'm very happy with the result. I have to tell all of my friends and family now that now that I can do makeup, if anyone wants to have free makeup done by me, they can call me. You guys ready? Oh my god! I don't know if you guys can see all of the bling bling and the prettiness of this. This is probably going to be my look for the wedding day. I just need to practice this every day. I did this with the help of my teacher, and she said I could do it at home as well. And during my wedding day, I can do this all by myself. So that was the journey so far. I must say, for someone who have no experience in makeup before, I did pretty good and I learned pretty fast. Still, I have to practice like every week now until the wedding so that I remember the skill. There's like so many steps. But yeah, I am actually very happy about it because I like to learn new things, and I truly feel like before I learned this course, I don't even know what is the brush look like, what is this kind of any product makeup like good for. And now I feel like I have this kind of foundation to start learning more, and that makes me super excited. Anyway, thank you guys very much for watching. I'll see you in the next video, and let's keep finger crossed that I could actually do my own makeup in the wedding day. Bye bye!